Go on.
Hi, and welcome to Nature Hunt. As you can see, my hat is getting a tiny little bit aged. As you can see, the strap is missing and a lot of parts are missing from the back. So, I'm going to travel. I'm going to go on my travels with the amazing Danny Mofo, Fallen Di Pearson, and Liam. And we are going to travel to Durham to buy a new hat. Here comes the bus now. G'day, one of your finest return tickets to Durham. There you go. Thanks. We've arrived. Thank you very much, my friend. You're a gentleman and a scholar.